What's up, guys? Tom here with Xtreme Air Vents. I am really excited to share with you something new I've got for the factory Skidoo turbo intakes. Now, all of you guys that have supported me and purchased the carbon fiber intakes, I really appreciate it. These have been an amazing intake, but we've got something even better. Now, I've had so many requests and so many people that have reached out to me and said, we want something a little bit cheaper. So I've been doing the research, I've been putting in the time, and at the time when we first released these carbon fiber intakes, that was the best way to go, okay? Well, about a month ago, so we're in February, so right after the New Year's, 1st of January, carbon fiber became not available anymore. Luckily, I had pre-purchased a bunch, but the supply became obsolete. So I started panicking, trying to figure out what I was going to do to provide an awesome product for these intakes for the turbos. That's when I came up with this amazing product that turns out they're going to be substantially less money. And I partnered with a US manufacturer to provide an even better pre-filter for the new vents. So just to debunk any myths, there's nothing wrong with the carbon fiber intakes. They're still an awesome intake. The pre-filter on those intakes is what the factory Skidoo used for like your standard Gen 4 intakes, the ones that go on the sides. So that same exact thickness, spec, everything. That's what was going on the carbon fiber intakes. But I wanted something even stronger, something thicker, but with the same amount of airflow. And I was able to partner with a manufacturer that is able to supply me with the quantities that I need to build these new intakes. So let's cut to the chase. What are they? Here we go. Okay, guys, the design looks the same, doesn't it, right? But this new polymer that we were able to work, I mean, virtually indestructible. You can bend these things back on themselves and they will not break. So the other thing I'm really liking about this material, these have been being tested for a few weeks now, is because of the flexibility, when you let off the gas, they pop a little better. So they actually flex, which pops that ice and snow off of your intakes. So got these for but I mean, these are amazing. Can't break them. So you can do whatever you need to, roll your sled over, whatever it is. So let me show you some cool features about, obviously these are going to fit the same. They have the same strength pattern. And we've added some additional mounting holes. Because this material is more flexible, it's not quite as rigid as the carbon fiber, I added more rivet holes so that it would sit flatter on the panel. So let's show them on a sled. Okay, here we are installed. And you can see they look very similar to the carbon fibers. I'm pounding on those babies. They're not breaking, okay? They have an extremely high melting point. They're good down to -50. So it's going to be an absolutely amazing product for all you guys. Rivet location is identical. So if you've got carbon fiber ones you want to replace with poly ones, you can just drill out the rivets, pop in the new ones, we're ready to go. So I'm really excited about these guys. Always trying to improve. I mean, you can do whatever you want. They're not breaking. So I'm really excited about it. This is the vent with the pre-filter. It just rolls off. Let me do it again. See if I can get it to stay on there. So that pre-filter is completely waterproof. You can see that. So it's really awesome. So there you go. I just wanted to share with you one other thing, just in case you're wondering. This is one of the carbon fiber ones. It does it too. So I've kind of prided myself on having good quality pre-filter on all of my vents for years. So not to worry if you have carbon fibers, you still have a really good product. I don't know if you'll be able to tell a difference, but it's kind of in a, maybe if we get it at the right angle, it's just, this material is a little bit thicker. So for the guys busting through trees, rolling sleds over, there's just less of the possibility of a tear between the holes. And then obviously, as we're getting lots of turbo flutter, or the cavitation of air coming back through the air box, there's not any chance of it wearing out. So anyway, I'm really excited about these guys. Check out the website for pricing. It's going to be an awesome improvement and upgrade for your 20 and a half Skidoo Turbo or 21 Turbo. So xtremeairvents.com. Check them out. Thanks.